Hey, what's happening, everybody? Charlie here. I just want to take this time to wish everybody a happy belated Thanksgiving. Hope everybody had a good time. Now, as for me, I'm still pretty much recuperating from my Thanksgiving, all the preparation and all the cooking and the baking and stuff. I actually made over 21 items this year for Thanksgiving, so this is one of my biggest Thanksgivings. I know I said that a lot in previous videos, but this is actually one of the biggest. Oh, it was a lot. I'm telling you, because I also did a lot of different things. Well, not a lot of different things, but it was a little something outside of the traditional Thanksgiving food I was doing. You know, dirty rice, shrimp fried rice. I was even doing cakes. Well, actually, I did cakes in the past, so I'll take that back. Yeah. But other than that, but the cakes is actually the first time being a part of the final presentation, you know what I'm saying? Now, as far as the final presentation, I'm going to show y'all that at the end of the video or whatever, because I only took a picture, you know, with all my food. I was like this. What's that? But anyways, I'm just playing with y'all. Yeah, it was a lot. It really, truly was a lot of work. It really was. And grateful to have finished it. Of course, I had to cook for myself and I had to cook for other people as well. So yeah. What else I want to say? That's basically it. Okay. I'm gonna share with y'all some news. Just really fast, really quick. Might be a few minutes, but we'll see. The first thing, GoFundMe. Some people have reported that my GoFundMe is down, and I was like, oh, thank goodness they said something, because I had totally forgot about it. I'm actually going to be working on changing the link to the GoFundMe account in the description box of all my videos, and I'm also gonna there's also a link to it in the About Me section, and in the top of my art thing that's on my channel. You know, the artwork where I have just a picture of me and they got all the pictures of the food surrounding by it. Yeah, they got a link up there too, and they got the link to my official website and all that right there too. Same thing with the About Me section. Yeah, so you'll be able to find the link to that. Just in case. But I'm gonna have all that resolved by time, hopefully by Christmas. By the time Christmas gets here. What else? People asking for recipes. Now, before I built my website, people had been emailing, and you know, people ask for a recipe. You know, I had to email them or message them. Okay, send it to them, no problem. But now my links to like I always tell people, I have an official website for my recipes. All the links to that are in the description box of every last one of my videos. Every time you watch a video, at the top, it's always going to say something, new website for recipes or official website for recipes. It's going to be official website because it's no longer a new website, of course. So that's why I got to go back in and make changes to that. Yes, I do have an official website for all of my recipes. www.charliethecookandrews.com. The links is in the description box. And I'm going to try to see if I post a little something at the top so y'all can see the official website for recipes link, and you'll click that. It's a little circle that appears on the corner of your video. Click that circle and everything that you need to know is right there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. What else? Oh, also, recipe discrepancies. Yes, let's talk about that for a second. It's not really really much of a major thing, just very little. Very little. Like somebody was like, Charlie, I made your recipe and it didn't. I looked at your video. It said one thing, but I did the recipe and it said a different thing. You know, you added like a teaspoon of baking powder, but in the recipe you didn't. Okay, so anyways, I know that would be kind of confusing for a person. So it's always important to always, you know, if there's an issue, to just email me or message me. Just type urgent, so that way I can quickly change that and make changes to that. But some people have reached out and talked to me about that, and I went in and make the change. No big deal. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully before, well, actually going into the new year, I'm gonna be going through all of my recipes to ensure that everything is smooth in terms of measurements. You know what I'm saying? because I never really actually went in. So I'm going to actually try to go through that and go through everything, make sure everything is smooth with that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Now another issue that I want to talk about is when people make my recipes and the recipe does not work out. Okay, it's always important to really communicate that, so that way I can help, and also take pictures so that way I can see exactly what the problem is and I can help you resolve that issue. A lot of people always say, well, I made the recipe and I ask myself, do you take any pictures? They're like, no, I decided to throw the whole thing away. That's the thing. You definitely do not want to do that, because you have to have patience when it comes to cooking and baking. You know, just because something is ruined doesn't mean that it can never be fixed. You always at least take, like when it comes to my cake, when it comes to like when people make my cake recipes and something might not work out with it, it might come out dense or it might come out a little bit too dry. Take a picture of the cake, inside of the cake, so that way I can be able to determine. Now some people tell me right off the bat, I know automatically what's going on, and from there I'm able to assist them, to help them. Remember, I'm not on YouTube just to do videos and say, oh, okay, this is, I mean, if you mess up, that's on you. I'm here to help as much as possible. You know, if something doesn't work out, maybe I can help you with it, you know what I'm saying? So contact, you can email me, send the pictures there, charliethecookandrews@gmail.com, Facebook, charliethecookandrews, Instagram, charliethecookandrews, okay? So if you have any issues with recipes, if you made my recipe and it messes up, it could be an issue that you could have done, and I can help you resolve that issue next time. Where I've actually helped several people where, you know, they made my recipes and it didn't work out, and I went through the whole process. Look, you do this, you do that, and you know, from there, they make the recipe over, comes out perfect, satisfy customer. That's what it's all about. Customer service, making sure, you know, leaving that good impression, leaving that customer feeling wonderful, knowing that they achieved something great. You know what I'm saying? Simple. Also, finding new content. Yes, some people are saying that they go to my channel and they can't find any new content. I don't see how, but I release a video once every 7 days, you know what I'm saying? And I always, at the very end of my video, I always tell people, you know, hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you might just have to be able to go in and go check, just go to visit my channel and just go and search, and you'll find, you know what I'm saying, that I have new content, because I release a video once every 7 days, 4 recipes a month, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the shipping of items. Some people have been reaching out to me about the shipping of my food items, and I kind of look at it like this. With all the shipping that's going on right now, it's quite overwhelming, and you know, everybody's doing it. And I kind of look at it in this way. It's just too much and too overwhelming, especially for the shipping. You know, especially for the shipping side of things. You know, everybody's doing it. It's clogged. You know what I'm saying? It's clogged where people are saying, oh, hey, you know, I bought this item about 2 months ago and I got it just yesterday. You know what I'm saying? So it's not really a good time to be doing any type of shipping right now. You know what I'm saying? So, and what else I want to say about that? Yeah, and it's another thing. I know they had an advertisement for the holidays where you buy something online from one of the big, large retailers, and you buy for Thanksgiving, you get it by Christmas. By the time Christmas Day, you're going to be done forgot that you had ordered something. But wait, where I got this off from? Well, you don't remember you ordered it? Like, go. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know, right now it's just too clogged right now for shipping right now, especially the cakes and stuff like that. And plus it's expensive. It's like it depending on where you are, especially overnight, that's almost like $100. So anyway, all right, that's it for all the news. Like I said, I did cook a Thanksgiving dinner this year. I know people are probably gonna ask about a preparation video. You have to see when you let time happen. We'll see about that. This is my 10th consecutive year cooking this large Thanksgiving dinner, and what I'm going to do at this time is I'm going to take you back. We're going to go back 10 years. 10 years, that's a decade. And we're going to go through a bunch of pictures from 2010 to present. Yes. So you're going to get an opportunity to see that, and here it goes. Enjoy. Here is me from Thanksgiving 2010. That's right, 10 years ago. And this is the food spread from Thanksgiving 2010. Yep. Here is Thanksgiving 2011. And what a time that was, huh? And this is the food spread from Thanksgiving 2011. Here is me, Thanksgiving 2012. Quite a few things there. That's the only picture I have. Here's Thanksgiving 2013. I couldn't resist. That's why that pecan pie is cut like that. I eat the pecan pie before I eat anything else. Here is Thanksgiving 2014. And here is 2015 Thanksgiving. Now this is the largest Thanksgiving because I made over 26 items, and it remains the largest Thanksgiving that I ever had to date. Here is Thanksgiving 2016. That's right. And this is the food spread from Thanksgiving 2016. Here I am, Thanksgiving 2017. Thanksgiving 2018. Remember I did the Thanksgiving preparation video? This is the picture. This is the food spread from that time. Yeah, that's right. And here is Thanksgiving 2019. Remember I had got the 100K plaque? Thanks to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Now this is the food spread from Thanksgiving 2019. Now who's ready to see Thanksgiving 2020, huh? Now let's do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! I made over 21 items this Thanksgiving. It was a hard work because I did it in a short period of time. Yeah. It's one of my largest Thanksgivings to date. And that is it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed those image sliders. That's a lot of food to cook over a period of time. It's actually become a tradition now. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people have been emailing me, messaging me, and everything. Charlie, you cooking for Thanksgiving this year? Ooh, Charlie, I can't wait to see what you're cooking for Thanksgiving this year. Charlie, I'm trying to find out when you cooking something next week. You know, everybody was asking me, and really, you know, I wasn't gonna say it. But anyways, let me stop playing around. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope I wasn't too long. Okay, that's right. And in closing, I would like to take this time to thank all of my subscribers and followers all across the board, from my YouTube to my Facebook and on my Instagram. Thank you all so very much. I really appreciate each and every last one of you. Thank you. Until next time. Peace.